Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you are all fine. In previous class, what we have discussed? We have discussed about nose. We have discussed about nose. I have told you what is the use of the nose and how we have to protect our nose. Yes or no? Yes, Did I told you or not? Yes, and I hope you are all watch the video and you did the homework which is posted by along with the video. Yes or no? Along the video, homework is given no? Home task is given no? I hope you are all doing that. You have to do that. Okay, what is your work, daily work? To play, to watch the movie. Yes or no? This is your daily work, daily task. No, what is your daily task? You have to watch the video carefully and do the homework. Yes or no? And post the homework to a concerned teacher. Yes or no? Yes, you have to do this. Why? Because you are going to write your SA1 exams, no? Yes or no? So that you have to more and more carefully you have to study. Okay. In previous class we have discussed about nose, and in the third lesson our final topic is about skin. Today we are going to discuss about skin. Now tell me, children, all you are having skin? All of us having skin? Yes. Without skin, our body parts is covered with skin. Yes or no? No means only face is covered with skin, hands and remaining are not covered with any other material. No. Our entire body is covered with skin. This skin is a fabulous bag of our body. Okay, fabulous bag of our body. It is covered entire. Not the face, not the hands, and remaining parts are not covered. Not like that. No, our entire body is covered with skin. So this we can call the skin is the fabulous bag of our body, and it is stretchable. Yes or no? If we do like this, it will stretchable. Yes or no? It is stretchable or not? And it is stretchable and it has some feeling. Yes or no? Our body has some feeling. Now, what is this is sense organ. For what purpose this organ is there? To feel and to touch, and and the skin protects us from heat, cold. Yes or no? Our skin is protecting or not? Protect us from heat, cold, and also protecting from germs also. No? Yes or no? If the skin is not there, what happened? Directly the germs enter into our blood vessels and nerves. No? That time what will happen? We will get many diseases. To avoiding this, our skin is protecting from germs, and it covers the entire body, and it maintains the right temperature. No, now this is cold season. Sorry, winter season. We are feeling cool, but now anybody is feeling hot? No. When it is cool, when the climate is cool, our body feels cool. When the climate is hot, our body feels hot. Yes or no? It maintains the right temperature. Yes or no? It maintains the right temperature. In mainly children, our skin has 2 layers. We have 7 layers. In coming class you can learn, but I am saying especially our skin has 2 main layers. Okay, first one is epidermis. That you can see, this is the first layer of the skin. This is epidermis, and beneath this, underneath we have dermis. Okay, underneath we have dermis, where there are blood vessels and nerves. Okay, and sweat pods, hairs. Yes or no? Underneath we can see nerves. We can in somebody in someone hands we can see nerves like this. No? Yes or no? We can see our nerves. No? Underneath the epidermis, this is the first layer. In second layer we have blood vessels and nerves, sweat pores, underneath sweat pores, and small hairs. All of you can find no hairs on your skin? Yes or no? Not that much, not what the hair we having on our head. Some hairs we can found, some tiny hairs. Yes or no? Where they are coming from? It is on the first layer itself? No, it is in the underneath of the first layer. Okay, underneath of the first layer. What is this first layer? Epidermis. Underneath, dermis is there. Where there are nerves and blood vessels. The skin is heaviest single part of our body. Yes or no? Heaviest only no. Heaviest single part of our body. Why? Because our skin is covering our entire body, no. Yes or no? All of your body parts are covered with skin only, no? Am I right? Yeah. All of our body parts are covered with skin, not with any other cloths, not with any other animal layers, animal skins, no. Our skin, our body parts are covered with skin only. Next, now, just like this is, we can say it is a shopping bag. Yes or no? When, for suppose, when you go for a shopping, you carry one bag, and what you will do in that bag, what you are buying, you will what you are buying, the products, either groceries, either dresses, any other things, any other home materials you are buying. What you will do, you will put that particular product or grocery items in the bag itself only, no. Now our body parts are inside the skin. Yes or no? This is just like as a shopping bag. And mainly one thing, you will feel that why some are black, some are white, some are medium. Why you are thinking like that? Okay, what our mother and father, what our elders will say, this is the heredity. Okay, we can say this is the one type of heredity. How our parents color we will come, but our skin has one substance called melanin. Where the melanin is more, no, they will in dark color. If it is less white color. If it is medium color, we will get our skin. Medium color is color that we will get to our skin. Okay, if melanin is more, no, they will be black in color. If less, no, they will be fair. If medium color. Okay, for example, I will tell you, for suppose today you are going to work outside something, you are plucking the grass or you are going for shopping. It is more hot, very more hot. The sunrise is more. In that time, this melanin produce very much this melanin produce, and we will become suntan. Yes or no? When we go outside, when the sun, when it is sunning, no, what will happen? Our skin get black color. Yes or no? Why the skin is getting black color? Because the substance, melanin substance is producing, so that if high quantity of melanin substance is producing, no, what happened? Our skin get suntan. Okay, our skin get suntan. Okay, have you all understood? Our skin is used for to feel cold, heat, and it also use it to log the water also, no. When we are bathing under the shower, or when we are going to swim, no, so much of the water, is that water will went, all the water will absorb our skin? No, it locks the water also. Okay, for that use also our skin is very useful. Our skin is used to log the water also. And moreover, our skin feels the hard and soft things. Hard and soft things means this pen is very soft. It has any sharp objects? No, this is soft. If I touch this pen, I can feel this won't harms to my skin. I can feel this is soft. When you touch the hard things like a knife or anything, if you catches what this is the hard thing. Our skin feels the soft and hard things. And moreover also, our skin feels them soft and hard touch. Soft and hard touch. Why soft and hard? What is mean by soft touch and what is mean by hard touch? If I touch like this your face or your hand like this is the soft touch. If I give one slap on your cheeks, this is the hard touch. You will get beat, no? You will get some pain. That is the hard touch. Okay. From which sense organ we are feeling this hard touch and soft touch or heat, cold? From which sense organ? From the skin. From the skin itself we are feeling. Not through we are feeling through our eyes, not through nose, no. We are feeling through skin. Yes or no? In moreover, our sense organ also help us to learn about the size, shape, color. Yes or no? Now I am seeing this pen. I can know this is the size of. By what? By what I am seeing? By which sense organ I am seeing? Through my eyes. Yes or no? By touching the pen, this is the soft thing. By which I am feeling? Feeling through the skin. Yes or no? Now I am teaching some lesson. Some topic. You are hearing through your ears. Yes or no? Our sense organ plays a crucial role what we in our daily livelihood. Yes or no? Without eyes, without ears, without nose, we cannot live, and without the skin also. If skin is not covered with our body, what happens? Our blood vessels and our tissues all will explode. What happened? It will burst. Yes or no? So skin is very important. So we have to protect our skin by taking bath twice, not twice a day. We have to in day we have to take two times or three times. Why? Because nowadays we are facing the problem virus. What virus? Coronavirus is there. So that when we are going to the market, if there are more and more people are there, what you have to after soon after coming to our home, we have to take the bath with hot water. Okay, if we are taking the bath through hot water, no, anything the germs or anything virus is on our skin, it will get removed. It will die through the hot water. Okay. Have you all understood? Okay. Now now all of you open your textbook, page number 13. Page number 13. Okay. See here our skin. Our skin. All of you put your finger where I am reading. Okay. Place a finger here. O U R R S K I N. Skin. S K I N. Skin. C O V E R S. Covers. O U R R E N T I R E. Entire. B O D Y. Body. Our skin covers our entire body. IT. It. HELPS. Helps. US. As. TO. To. FEEL. Feel. HOT. Hot. COLD. Cold. SOFT. Soft. OR. Or. HARD. Heart. THINGS. Things. It helps us to feel hot, cold, soft or hard things. As I told earlier, no. As I told earlier, what I told? Our skin help us to feel hot, cold, soft or hard things. Now, second para. OUR SENSE. Sense. ORGANIZE. N S. Organs, A L S O. Also H E L P. Help, U S S T O. To L E A R N. Learn, A B O U T. About, T H E. The S I Z E. Size, S H A P E. Shape, C O L O U R. Color, A N D. And T H E. The S O F T N E S S. Softness, O R or H A R D. Heart, N E S S. Hardness, O F of T H I N G S. Things. Our sense organ also help us to learn about the size, shape, color and the softness or hardness of things. Okay. Now up to our skin, we have completed the which lesson? Second lesson? No, third lesson we have completed. By today we have completed our third lesson. Okay. Now all of you take your pencil and underline the hard words. Okay. Underline with pencil. First one, skin. Second one, covers. Intake. Next, feel. Next, hot. Next, cold. Next, soft. Next, hard. Next, size, shape, color, softness, hardness. These are the hard words you have to underline in your textbook with spellings. If you are thorough with these words, no, you can write your question answers and beads or any other fill in the blanks without any spelling mistake. So that you have to by heart these words. Okay. Now we will read it. Now all of you close the textbook and concentrate at the board. Look into the board, all of you. First one, S K I N. Skin, S K I N. Skin, C O V E R S. Covers, C O V E R S. Covers, E N T I R E. Entire, E N T I R E. Entire, F E E L. Feel, F E E L. Feel, H O T. Hot, H O T. Hot, C O L D. Cold, C O L D. Cold, S O F T. Soft, S O F T. Soft, H A R D. Hard, H A R D. Hard, S I Z E. Size, S I Z E. Size, S H A P E. Shape, S H-A-P-E, shape. C-O-L-O-U-R, color. C-O-L-O-U-R, color. S-O-F-T-N-E-S, softness. S-O-F-T-N-E-S, softness. H-A-R-D-N-E-S, hardness. H-A-R-D-N-E-S, hardness. By this we have completed our third lesson. In coming days we will see fourth lesson, and in next class I will tell once again, I will revise the lesson and I will tell the textual exercises. Okay, textual exercises I will teach, and I will once again I will revise the lesson. Okay, now children, you have to practice these words for 5 times, and along these words, and you will get another homework. Along the video we will get another homework, and you have to practice this also. Okay, this is very important. Why? Because this will help to write question answers and fill in the blanks without making any spelling mistakes. Okay. Okay. Now all of you practice these words for 5 times. Okay. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you all. Wish you a happy day.